Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a hilarious showdown between two grooming essentials. On the left, we have the Philips Norelco Genuine Bodygroom Replacement Trimmer Shaver Foil, and on the right, we have the Williams Lectric Shave. Get ready for some controversial opinions, a ton of jokes, and of course, the ultimate comparison. Let's dive in. The Philips Norelco Genuine Bodygroom Replacement Trimmer Shaver Foil comes in at a reasonable $14. On the other hand, we have the Williams Lectric Shave, which will only cost you a cool $7. Half the price, folks. The Philips Norelco Genuine Bodygroom Replacement Trimmer Shaver Foil fits a wide range of products, including the Bodygroom Series 7000, 5000, and 3000. On the flip side, we have the Williams Lectric Shave. Well, it's compatible with your razor. That's it. The Philips Norelco Genuine Bodygroom Replacement Trimmer Shaver Foil promises a safe and less irritating body grooming experience. But wait, what's this? Williams Lectric Shave claims to stand up whiskers for a closer shave, giving you smoother skin. The Philips Norelco Genuine Bodygroom Replacement Trimmer Shaver Foil recommends using their cleaning spray for optimum results. And hey, don't forget to change the foil every 12 months. On the other side, Williams Lectric Shave boasts a soothing green tea complex. It also promises an electric smooth shave. Both the Philips Norelco Genuine Bodygroom Replacement Trimmer Shaver Foil and Williams Lectric Shave have their unique strengths and weaknesses. It ultimately comes down to your personal preferences. That wraps up another exciting episode of Buy Smart. We hope you enjoyed this hilarious showdown between the Philips Norelco Genuine Bodygroom Replacement Trimmer Shaver Foil and Williams Lectric Shave. Remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below telling us which grooming essential you prefer. Stay smart, stay funny, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.